What are we doing today?
Trying to get this ended up on a stand.
Alright, well let's get to it then. That's good enough for now. I don't want it too high while I'm turning it around. Almost. Another. No, not that far. It's like 4 or 5 inches or so. Slowly lower it down. Got it? It'll go quick once you pop it.
I can't break it loose.
You look into it. The kid outside.
There we go.
You got it?
Can you hear where the blood got?
Alright, it's coming down.
Help?
Keep going. Keep going. Trying to get this throttle body off so we can turn the motor over by hand and see how the compression is on it. You got it? Okay. I think I have 2 different styles for us to choose from if we can't make this one work. So I got a pedal assembly in the module that we might be able to plug in, and then we can use this throttle body. Keep going. Keep going. Oh yeah. Hold it down. Move your hand down further. Slide your hand down. There you go. Sweet. This is a full battery. Do you see it? Oh, the battery's dying on us. I swear this turned over when I got it, Grandpa. It rotated when I bought it. That was the first thing I did.
I got enough moisture.
Well, full tear down then. Okay. Would you say that was a 15? Whew.
Coming out. That's some nasty one in there.
It was one of the nastier ones, yeah.
Like that.
You can see up there they got a little bit of a
Yeah.
score.
That's not bad at all.
No. You can barely feel it with your fingernail. The lip is barely felt.
Didn't have much wear on it at all.
No. That one came feel scratchy.
High RPM.
What do you think?
Clean it up.
Clean it up and run it?
Yeah.
Alright.